Live on KKFM, man. We're out here, man. We're in Gauteng today, in Bishop Thwala's book launch. Sanibona baba ninjani?
Akwandi inkosi sigcile ngomsa.
Siyaphila. Namhlanje nisibizile la sikhona silauncha incwadi. Asiqale la yini igama lencwadi baba?
The art of starting early.
Oh, the art of ngithena ngibona iposter ithi the art of starting early, and I was blessed, but mhlawumbe bangachaza ukuthi what came into your mind when you wrote a book about this, or this was the title of the book?
This is a book of inspiration.
Yes.
It's a book of challenging.
Yes.
It's a book of saying to everyone who will read the book,
Yes.
if it's in your heart, if it's in your mind, start it today. Unga procrastinate. Qala into ekumele ukuthi uyiqale. So le ncwadi isho it asiqaleni.
Ngazi ngabusiseka live mfundisi ngihle ngizibuka ama video wakho mfundisi ngibusiseka kusekhaya. So start early. Procrastination, it's not the way to go. So namuhla sikhona la, and you are hosting your book launch. What are you looking forward to?
Sibheke ubusuku obuhle, whereby we review the book, we pray, and we start distributing the book countrywide and across. So that's what we've come to do. Yes.
So the book is gonna start to go out after this night, or already say Pumile people are already buying it. What's happening?
Yes, the book was dedicated during the Passover weekend. Okay. So we are officially launching it tonight. But the book is already circulating.
Someone watching there wants to buy Bishop Thwala's book. Where do they go?
Kulula kakhulu. Follow the socials. Bishop T. Thwala. The info is there. Then you get the book.
So yini le ezothi isi othi namuhla after this launch or after this event ngifuna ukuyibona yenzekile namuhla, this is what I'm looking forward to.
I wish to see people being encouraged, having the urge to start. Those who were delaying, those who thought they needed to have more before they can start, starting. 2 years down the line, I want to see someone at the mall and say, I read the book, I studied something, it's progressing. That will fulfill me.
So who are we having today? Because we saw you on the book, on the poster, you are alone, but who are we having today who are coming into the event?
Ngingabala ngithini abefundisi bala ama authors ala abazawane bala, the partners are here, the friends of Bishop are here, amakholo ala angazi umuntu ongekho la ukuthi ukuphi.
Where are you? So what inspired you to start writing, Fundis? What happened?
There's always a room for growth. As an individual, you must go to different seasons of your life. And I believe the season of being an author has come. And I'm grabbing it with both hands.
So we want a word of the day. What can you say to our viewers there? What can you say to the youth? What can you say to the South Africa watching there?
If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So plan and execute that which you've planned.
That's our host today, Bishop Thwala. We'd like to hear you say KKFM Vugandota.
KKFM Vugandota.
You know the story. Can you take a picture?